How to fix TikTok upload failed. So if you have something posted on TikTok and if that upload has failed, then the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. So if your internet connection is interrupted or if it has been turned off, then you might be facing this kind of problem. So before uploading something on TikTok, first you need to check your internet connection. And after checking your internet connection, if that still exists, then you need to open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications and tap on see all apps and then go and search for TikTok, and now tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. And after clearing your cache on your TikTok, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to make sure that your app is up to date. So to check that, you have to open up your Play Store application and then you can go for the search bar and then search for TikTok. And after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your TikTok application. And after updating, you can either uninstall your TikTok application and then you can again install it from your Google Play Store or your App Store. And the last fix is to restart your device. So you can simply hold on to that power button and here on the upper right side you will have restart option. You can simply tap on restart and that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.